Let's see question number 5. Put is or are in the blank spaces. The first two are done for you. You have to use are and is in the blank spaces. So you can see, I think many of you already know, but I would like to repeat again. Generally, we use are when the subject is plural, that is more than one, and when we use is when the subject is singular or if it is unknown to us. There we use is. So you have to use are and is in all the blank spaces given. I hope many of you will be able to do. Now let's see question number 6. Give short replies beginning with he or she. So you all can see we have to reply from he or she. A very short reply. Who is kicking the ball? She is. That's it. Who blocked the window? He did. Don't you all love the answer? Such a short answer. You all will love to do this question. I know some of you are smiling. Okay, here is question is also. Who is smiling? Let's see question number A. Who is smiling? He is. Or she is. Who cleaned the blackboard? Then the answer will be, any guess? She did. Or he did. It can be anything. Let's see question number G. Who can jump up 4 feet? Who can jump 4 feet? So the answer will be he can or she can. Let's see question number J. Who bought the hat? Who bought the hat? Then the answer will be he did or she did. If you all see the past form of the verb in the question, then your answer must have did. Again I am repeating, if you see past form of the verb in question, then your answer must have did. Just like bought, forgot, went, then cleaned. Okay, here your answer must contain or must have did. Now let's see question number 7. Read aloud. You have to read aloud. Lock, log, sink, sing. Lock, log, lock. Duck, dug, duck. So like this you all have to practice this, and if you all can use these words in the sentences, then it will be helpful for you all. Just like here, what a big log, what a big log. She is singing, she is singing. Like this you all can use all these words in your sentences as well. So now let's see question number 8. Revision. Change the sentences beginning with no one knows. I think many of you have already done this question few days ago. Again we are doing it, so there will be less chance of any mistakes or errors. Let's see first question. Why is he sad? Then the answer will be, no one knows why he is sad. No one knows why he is sad. Let's see another. Why did he do it? No one knows why he did it. Why he did it. Like this you all have to do. Let's see some question as well. Let's see question number C. Why did she do it? I think it's quite similar with this example, so I won't be explaining. Let's see question number D. Why did they go there? So the answer is, no one knows why they went there. Again I am repeating the answer of question number D. No one knows why they went there. Let's see question number G. Why is he sitting on the floor? Then the answer will be no one knows why he is sitting on the floor. No one knows why he is sitting on the floor. Let's see one more question. Question number J. Why were they talking to the policeman? So the answer will be no one knows why they were talking to the policeman. Again I am repeating, no one knows why they were talking to the policeman. So like this you all have to try, and I know many of you will be able to do it nicely.